Hey there everybody, it's Lynnea, and today the Whimsy Stamps team is hopping to give you some Slimline inspiration. So the video team is hopping on YouTube, and there's a whole bunch more inspiration on Instagram as well, so be sure to participate in both of those hops. For my card, I'm going to be using the Slimline Stars die, as well as the Halloweeds stamp set. Both of these are some of my favorites from the latest releases. So I went ahead and I took that Slimline Stars die and I die cut that from a piece of black cardstock, and that's going to be my foreground piece. But I wanted to create a little peekaboo through those star cutouts. So I took some orange and purple cardstocks. I have a light and a dark of both colors, and I cut them into 1/4 inch strips. I cut a separate background panel that is 3 1/4 by 8 1/4 inches, and I covered it with double-sided adhesive. Now I just filed my nails prior to doing this video, so I struggled a little bit getting the backer off, but once I finally did, all I'm going to do is just lay down these strips of cardstock on my background panel. And I'm just alternating through all 4 colors, so I'm going dark purple, light orange, light purple, dark orange, just laying them down on the double-sided adhesive. Now there's a lot of different ways you could do this. It's very easy to do with the double-sided adhesive, that's why I chose this method. But if you wanted to use liquid adhesive, you could definitely do that. You could even cover your whole background panel with tape runner adhesive and do it that way. Any way that you want to add these strips down, find the quickest and easiest way and go ahead and do that. I just find that the double-sided adhesive seems to be the quickest for me. Then once I have all of my strips covering my panel, I'm going to flip that over and just use my scissors and trim off the excess. Long scissors work best for me, but again, any scissors will work. You could even take this over to your paper trimmer and trim the excess off. Now I have a whole striped background piece, and that's going to peek through the stars from that Slimline Stars panel. I wanted to add a little extra pizzazz, so I'm going to do some DIY glitter paper. I'm just using my glitter spray, and I'm going to spray the front of that Slimline Stars cutout, and now I have some shimmer for my Halloween Slimline card. The only image I'm going to put on the front of this Slimline card is the Halloweeds image. This is absolutely one of my favorites. I think that these little weeds are so spooky and cute. I love them so much. So I'm just going to do some easy and quick Copic coloring. I used BG10 for the glass jar, and then for the skulls I'm going to use W0, W2. I'll mix in a little bit of browns and greens for the leaves. So for the leaves, I believe that I use YG09, YG06. And then I also brought in a little bit of purple on the rim of the glass jar to match the background, because I have some purple in the background. And then I also used some orange for the little pumpkin weed. That will be YR07 and YR04. And then, like I said, just a little bit of brown too. And that's it. This image was really easy to color, and then I just trimmed it out with my scissors. I also stamped out the Happy Halloweeds sentiment from the Halloweeds stamp set, and I just added some foam squares to the back of each of those, and then I'm going to position them into the center of my Slimline card. And that's going to finish this off. I hope that you got some inspiration and found some easy ways to create some peek-through backgrounds. Remember that this is a hop, so there's the video hop that I'm part of on YouTube, as well as the hop on Instagram. You're going to want to check out both for lots of fun Slimline inspiration from Whimsy Stamps. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys next time. Bye!